Hey guys, today we're making vegan Lahmacun or Turkish style pizza. I got inspired by Mark Wiens in this video when he did his Turkish food tour, and I was so excited that I thought, why don't we just veganize it? So let's begin with our dough. It's basically a classic pizza dough we're gonna make today with like a very strong flour. So all the ingredients you see right here, and the full recipe you find as always down below. So we're gonna mix our dry ingredients, the flour, the sugar and the salt, and I'm gonna dissolve the yeast already in the water. We're gonna add some oil and we mix it all together. I always like to begin with a spoon until the clumps form and then go in with my hands, and we're gonna give the dough lots and lots of love. We're gonna knead it for about 4 to 5 minutes and we're gonna let it rest, and in the meantime we're gonna prepare our other ingredients. Now let's make our topping. Traditionally, the Turkish Lahmacun is made with minced lamb. Instead of the meat, we are using walnuts and mushrooms today. So these are all our ingredients for the topping: walnuts, mushrooms, red bell pepper, tomatoes, parsley, chili, or you can also use chili flakes, onion, garlic, tomato paste, salt and pepper. We're gonna throw in all these ingredients in our food processor. I'm beginning with the walnuts and the mushrooms. We set that aside and then we make the rest. If you have a very large food processor, you can obviously make this all at once. You don't want a fine paste, so be careful not to over process. So you still want a little bit of a chunky consistency here. Now let's check on our dough. It has rested now for about an hour, and wow, the yeast definitely has done its work here. So we're gonna take that out. I'm gonna knead it for another 2 to 3 minutes. And I'm gonna dust the work surface and we're gonna roll it out super thin. So this is really important for the Lahmacun, the Turkish pizza, because later we're gonna roll it up like a burrito. So you wanna make sure the crust is very thin and pliable. Now let's add the topping to our pizza. So we're gonna really incorporate it well almost into the dough, and we spread it out all the way. So usually there's not really a crust like you see it on a regular Italian pizza. I preheated the oven already and we're gonna bake it around 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. And here is our wonderful Turkish pizza. Traditionally, it's eaten with lots of lemon on top, red onion and parsley. And of course, you can eat it like this, or you can roll it up how it is traditionally done. So let's try that. If you want to see more really creative vegan pizza recipes, check out this playlist right here. We have Lebanese, we have Indian style, we have a raw vegan pizza. So the sky is the limit here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I see you next week.